lens removal for HP Reverb version 1 G1 headset. That is possible, but normally you shouldn't do it. If you are in warranty, removing a lens voids warranty. Probably only if you want to remove scratches from the lenses or some other maintenance kind of thing, it makes sense. If you are in a situation where there is no warranty, the lenses are connected with adhesive tape from the edges, and they come off if you can wedge them off from their location, and that can be a little tricky because the adhesive is quite tight, but nevertheless this is minimally invasive. You don't need to remove any other part in order to get the lens removed. The lens is smooth on the other side, and the other side is grooved, and the smooth side probably is sort of maintenance friendly. The other side you can't do much about. Haven't really tried. The only reason I do this video because I have already disassembled my unit in order to troubleshoot some things. For example, can I add lens shift or other features, and in that case HP really doesn't help much. You cannot get spare parts through them and such. But like well, lens removal is possible. You could make better lenses, or you could get better lenses if you knew where and how.